You guys, a lot of people have dreams of working with companies in the US or in Europe, but they have been struggling to get such jobs. The worst is, if you are enrolled in places like Upwork or Fiverr, trying to get jobs with clients in the US and Europe is very difficult. But you don't need to worry anymore, because you guys know me, I'll always go and do the research for you and bring it for you here. So I found a recruitment agency that recruits talents from all over the world for US companies and Europe companies, and you guys don't have to worry, it is all vetted and they are very much legit. So you may be wondering, why will a company in the US or Europe hire somebody from anywhere around the world? Well, in most cases it is way cheaper for them, to pay you in your currency at a higher rate, which for them in their own currency is a very moderate amount. So they find it way easier for them to hire people from outside of their places, to do some of the jobs for them. And in case you're wondering the type of jobs that you can possibly find on this place, you can find jobs like executive assistant type of jobs, virtual assistants, SEO specialists, digital marketers, and all those type of jobs when it comes to customer related services, finances, and so much more, including tech related jobs. Those are the type of jobs that you can actually find on this platform. And for you to get involved with this platform, you must be ready to do full-time job and do it remotely from the comfort of your home. And not only that, you should be able to work with US and Europe time zones. So if you're in places like Africa or Asia that have very different time zones from the US, then you have to be able to sacrifice your sleep, because when you are asleep, they are awake. So you have to understand all these time zones to be able to work with these people. So if it's something you are interested in, please make sure to watch this video to the end. And if you're seeing this channel for the first time, we share work from home tips, remote job skills, everything in between, so you know exactly where to get started. So please consider joining us to be a part of our growing community. So that being said, the name of the platform is Somewhere. This is a recruitment agency, like I mentioned before, that are always recruiting people from all over the world, for companies that are based in the US. So what you're basically going to do is just to go onto the platform and look for jobs that suit you. So once you have found anyone, then you can start making your application. Now, before you make your application, I need you to understand that they have application processes that you have to go through, and one of them is that you have to probably make a 1-minute video about yourself to introduce yourself as an agency that helps with recruiting talent from all over the world for companies in the United States. And the level of experience you can expect to have on this platform is from 0 and above. Like, even if you've not done any job before, but you are very skilled at the job, then you can stand a better chance of getting hired on that platform. And you have to make sure you have a LinkedIn account that is functioning to be able to go to this platform to start looking for a job, because it will be needed in addition with your resume and your cover letter. So those are the things you have to bear in mind. So once you have gone through the platform and you have seen the type of job you want to apply to, then you are expected to fill a form that will give you opportunity for you to put your resume, your cover letter, and your LinkedIn URL on the platform while you're making your job application. That way they will get to know you better. And if your application pushes through, you may be asked to do a 1-minute video about yourself, depending on the job you're applying to. Now, 1-minute video you're going to do is just for them to get to know you. You're expected to introduce yourself, tell them a little about your background, the value you intend to bring, that is why you're a good fit for the position, and what motivation you have that made you to want to apply to work with them. So those are basically what you have to do. And you guys do not have to worry, because you know me, I'll always help you with everything that you need to get started. So to help you prepare this video, in case you are asked, you can use these prompts that will help you with getting something together with ChatGPT, so you can be able to start a better chance once you have made your video. And instead of you struggling to get up with something that is professional and simple and good enough for you to say in your video, you can use ChatGPT to generate the script using this prompt. You can say, you are an expert interviewer. I need a script of about a minute long to sell myself for a particular role. Like, you put in the role, and in a particular company, you put in the company. I have a background in this, you state the background you have, and these are my values, or why I think I'm best fit for the job. You put that down as well. And this is my motivation, like this is why I want to do this job. So you can also say why you want to put the job. So you can further tell it the background you have already, and then you can now ask it to give you a script of about 1 minute long that you can use to sell yourself, so that you can stand a better chance. I'm going to leave the link to this prompt in the comment section, so when you see it, you can comment same, so that I know that you have seen it, and you can use that to ask ChatGPT to help you if you don't know how to go about it. And to be able to make your video as aesthetic and professional as possible, you can memorize the script, or you can use teleprompter to read it out while you are making your video. In other cases, you may be asked to take a typing test, especially if you're going to be applying for virtual assistant role or executive assistant role that will require you to do some typing. On this platform, you're expected to have 50 word per minute typing speed to be able to stand a better chance on this place. So if your typing speed is less than 50, then you know that you have to work on it. And to work on it, you can go to this platform, typingtest.com, that will help you to practice typing so that your speed can get up to like 50 word per minute or more to be able to stand a chance. And in addition to that, you have to make sure you have a fast internet so that you don't get slowed down when you start this application process, so that you don't get missed out along the line or miss the opportunity. So you have to make sure that whenever you're ready to start, you have to stay in an environment that has fast internet so that you can be able to stay updated as you're doing your processes. That is another important thing you have to know. So they have some openings that are currently available right now. But before we go through those openings, if you have seen value so far in this video, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on our road to 6,000 subscribers. We're grateful to all of you that have been supporting us in one way or the other. And if you're looking for a way to make your job application even faster, I've prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that will help you. Now, for this job, instead of using AI to do your CV, just use the templates to revamp your cover letter and your CV so it does not look robotic. And the best part is it is ATS friendly, so even if they pass it through ATS system, you can stand a chance, and it can allow you to make job applications multiple times to different jobs a day and very fast because it's already a template you can just fill out. So if you're interested, please grab one with the link in the description of this video. Alright, so currently here are the jobs that are available. This one is test jobs, this one is recruiters, this one is a lot of jobs here: Salesforce administrator and web developer, senior motion graphic designer and editor, executive assistant, and so much jobs here, especially for people in South Africa and remote. That is, even if you're not in South Africa, anywhere at all. People in the Philippines and Cape Town, people that are in different places can actually find jobs. There's jobs for people in Colombia, Brazil, Mexico, a lot of jobs here. So they are currently available, so you can come and check it out, and you're going to be seeing the requirements and the payment for each job that you want to apply to. So the jobs, the payments are not really static. So like, for example, if you go to this virtual assistant job, they are paying $1,000 to $2,000 per month for this job. So that's another thing you have to know. So the payment varies, and in some cases they can pay you in your local currency or they can pay you in dollars. And also you have to bear in mind that if you have more than 5 years experience, your pay is going to be high. What means that the number of experience you have determines how huge you get, and so you have to have that in mind as well. So you might want to check it out. So if you're looking to make some money online using AI tools like Nano Banana or other Google AI tools that are new, do well to check out these videos, and please do well to check out other videos on our channel, because I promise you have something you have to learn. And if you've seen value so far, don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.